10 Benefits of Nutmeg. Nutmeg, a warm and aromatic spice derived from the seed of the nutmeg tree, Myristica fragrans, is a popular ingredient in both sweet and savory dishes. Beyond its culinary uses, nutmeg has been valued for its medicinal properties for centuries. In this article, we'll explore the top 10 benefits of incorporating nutmeg into your diet. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Nutmeg is packed with antioxidants, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and cancer. 2. Promotes digestive health. Nutmeg has been traditionally used to relieve digestive issues such as indigestion, bloating, and gas. It stimulates the secretion of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food and improving overall digestive health. 3. Supports oral health. Nutmeg has antibacterial properties that make it effective in combating oral bacteria responsible for bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. It is often used in toothpaste and mouthwashes for its ability to freshen breath and maintain oral hygiene. 4. Improves sleep quality. Nutmeg is known for its natural sedative properties, which can help improve sleep quality. A small amount of nutmeg added to warm milk before bed is a traditional remedy for insomnia and restlessness. 5. Boosts brain function. Nutmeg contains compounds that have been shown to enhance cognitive function and protect against neurodegenerative diseases. It is believed to improve memory, focus, and mental clarity, making it a valuable spice for brain health. 6. Reduces inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of nutmeg can help reduce inflammation in the body, making it beneficial for conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. It can also help alleviate pain and discomfort associated with inflammation. 7. Supports heart health. Nutmeg can contribute to heart health by helping to lower cholesterol levels and regulate blood pressure. Its antioxidant properties also support cardiovascular health by reducing oxidative stress on the heart and blood vessels. 8. Enhances skin health. Nutmeg is often used in skincare for its ability to improve the appearance of the skin. It can help reduce acne, blemishes, and blackheads, and its antioxidant properties can protect the skin from aging and environmental damage. 9. Aids in detoxification. Nutmeg supports liver health by aiding in the detoxification process. It helps the liver remove toxins from the body, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of liver-related diseases. 10. Relieves menstrual discomfort. Nutmeg has been traditionally used to alleviate menstrual pain and discomfort. Its antispasmodic properties help relax muscles, reducing cramps, and its anti-inflammatory effects can help manage other symptoms associated with menstruation. Nutmeg is a versatile spice that can be easily incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways, from adding it to baked goods to sprinkling it on your morning coffee. Its wide range of health benefits makes it a valuable addition to any wellness routine.